Should we open it?
Yeah. Down. Down.
Oh. What is that?
Yeah.
What is that?
A lemon.
Can we sit down? Oh no, he's mad. He's mad. He is mad.
What is he doing? Come back and forward.
I think you should let go of him. He's getting angry.
No.
He's getting angry.
Getting angry. You want to play? Oh, what is he doing?
I don't know.
He likes me.
He likes me?
He likes you.
You think so?
He likes both of us.
Sit down. Oh, good boy. I think he farted.